Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Members of oil-impacted communities in Ogoni land have commended President Muhammadu Buhari for taking the bold step to clean up the despoiled environment and restoring lost livelihoods. They gave the commendation recently during the groundbreaking ceremony for the construction of a Center of Excellence for Environmental Restoration in Ogoni land.
In an independent assessment of environmental pollution caused by over 50 years of oil production in Ogoni land, the United Nations Environment Programme (UNEP) had discovered that the extent of soil and water contamination was deeper than previously imagined. UNEP had recommended a cleanup that would take between 25 to 30 years to restore the environment back to its full productive health. The establishment of a Center of Excellence for Environmental Restoration of oil-impacted sites was part of recommendations made by UNEP in its 2011 report. However, the Ogoni cleanup project was flagged off in June 2016, while remediation commenced in August 2018 without a Center of Excellence. Delayed establishment of a Center of Excellence, as recommended by UNEP, had been greeted with dismay in several quarters. According to Honorable Dumnamene Deko, member representing Kana-Gukana Federal Constituency, it is better late than never to witness the establishment of the Ogoni Center of Excellence.
I think prior to this time, we hadn't done much. The engagements have been wonderful, and the result is what we see today. So I think we have taken up very, very well.
While flagging off the Ogoni Center of Excellence virtually, President Muhammadu Buhari also laid the foundation for the Ogoni Power Projects and a 100-bed specialist hospital at Wuyekara in Kana local government area of Rivers State. The historic event was attended by Ogoni traditional rulers, women and youth, who hailed the president for intervening in their plight.
What is exciting us the more is the hospital, because this hospital will serve the purposes of the women and mothers in particular. Our ladies have been dying of childbirth because of distance from the hospital, because of lack of funds, because of lack of paying of bills and medication.
We have done the ritual. We believe it will come to pass. And we believe this one will be different from the other things we experience, where successive ministers will come and do a ceremony without a follow-up plan. I can tell you from credible intelligence that contractors have been mobilized already for this project.
President Muhammadu Buhari, who addressed Ogoni people virtually, said implementation of the UNEP report on environmental pollution in Ogoni land was in fulfillment of his promise before he came to power in May 2015.
I pledged to implement the United Nations Environment Programme report on the environmental assessment of Ogoni land, which was submitted to the federal government 4 years earlier, if elected as the president. I am glad the implementation is progressing as evident in several critical awarded projects that impact on the livelihood of the Ogoni people.
The Federal Executive Council recently approved the sum of 59.78 billion naira to fund 2 contracts awarded for the construction of the Ogoni Center of Excellence and a specialist hospital in Ogoni land. Both projects are expected to help oil-impacted communities cope with the many negative effects of environmental degradation in Ogoni land. And for the Ogonis, the recent intervention is a parting gift from President Muhammadu Buhari, who is billed to leave office on the 29th of May 2023.
Inside the Niger Delta,